Here's how to turn off a VPN on your Android phone. Now let's swipe up from here and head into your settings. Within your settings you can do it, and I'll show you another way to be able to disable it as well. Now from here, let's tap on connections and then at the bottom, more connection settings. For whatever reason, they kind of hide where the VPN settings are. If you don't see them within here, you'll be able to also just search for VPN within your settings. Now from here, let's tap on VPN and you can see I'm connected to VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. And it says connected. I can just tap on it and there is the disconnect option. So just tap on it to disconnect. Another option is you can tap on that gear icon and you can hit delete VPN profile if you wanted to completely delete out that VPN and you no longer want to use it. Now these are options within your settings, but another option is just to go to the actual app itself. In this case, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Just find the app itself that you are using. And within here, there's usually a big button that indicates like this, either to connect like that, or if you're already connected, just tap on it again to disconnect.